Don't stop.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Don't stop.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Don't stop.
Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, this is Alexander Judovic from Creative Lab Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize our new template Don't Stop. Okay, first you must open your Adobe After Effects program. After you do that, go to File, Open Project, and then navigate to the project file. Then open the project. Okay. After you do that, you will see something like this. First, let's see what is the structure of this folder. You can find in the left corner, you can find three folder. That is change file here folder, don't touch folder, and render comps folder. I will explain these two folder, change file here and render comps. Render comps basically is all the final compositions that you actually need to render it. And the change file here folder, it contains all the media and text for you to edit. So we will edit this folder change file here, and we will do that in this manner. We will first open some of this media. So we will choose, for example, let's choose media 1. So media 1, like you see the number here, it's actually media 1 in this left media folder. So we will open media 1, and then we must import some of our picture or video. You can insert either picture or video. I will choose video. I will choose picture for this example. So I will go to select this project setting window, go to import file, and then navigate to the picture or video that you want to insert. I will choose picture like I said before, and this is the picture I want to insert. So I will select it, open it, and then here it is. So I will just use mouse and drag it here and drop it. Be careful, do not drop it on the timeline, because let me show you what I mean. Because if you drop it something like this on the 1 minute, for example, if you can take a look, you will see that actually it will start from the place that you drop it. So here you can find anything, just from 1 minute, then your picture will be shown. So don't make the mistake, just drop it on the left side of the timeline here, and it will be perfect, because it will start from the start of the timeline. So after that, you can go to fit, so you can see actual size of the window. And after that, if your picture is, or video of course, is a little bit smaller or bigger, you can scale it up or down. So I will use S key on the keyboard to reveal the scale option. Then I will just scale it up a little so it can fit perfectly, and then I will close it. Now if I find that place on this main composition on the timeline, I will see exactly what I managed to do. So that's the basic way to change all this media. So just go from one to another and just import your picture or video, and then close it. After you do that, you can go to text folder. Inside you will find all the text that actually are inside this project. So just open first text, for example. First text, let me find it. Here it is, Creative Lab Present. So just open text 1, and here it is. It must be selected like this. You can select it by mouse clicking. You can select it by clicked on this timeline here, or you can double click so it can be and start typing. So you can type anything you like. After you type one of your, let me see. Okay, now you see the text are formatted that way, so it will not look good if it is on the 2 lines. One line will be perfect, and with 2 lines it will be problematic, so you must scale it down. So I will choose characters option, and I will scale down just a little bit to fit perfect, and here it is. And after that I will close. You can also change this text here, but for now I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna close it, and like you see, it's already changed. So basically you successfully change the first text. Now go to second text and go from every other text until you change every other text. After you do that, you basically change all the media, all the text. Only left to change is logo on the end of the project. So logo is here. I left VideoHive logo, but you can import any logo you want. You can import your logo. You can import either a square or rectangle logo, or you can import text, or you can import whatever you like. You can just select this, delete it, and just insert the same way as you insert picture. Insert your logo and just drop it on the timeline, and that is it. Now you have texture folder inside change file here folder. The texture folder is the folder containing 4 textures. So you can change, basically I left this here because you can change it and insert your own texture and experiment if you want. If you don't like some of this texture, you can very easy make some of your changes, and maybe it will look better. Okay, so, and the last thing I want to discuss here is the color layer in the main composition. So what is color layer? Because first let me explain that there is not just one layer in this composition. There is much more layers like you see now, but all of them are hidden, and I just left color layer because that's the only layer that you need. So when you select color layer, you can either go to effect and effect control, or you can just click on the effect control window, and then you will reveal the basically four colors for this project. So for example, let's say I don't like this white colors of the text, and I want to change it maybe to something bluish. Okay, now let me be more dramatic so you can see, and here it is, the bluish lines, bluish text. Okay, after you do that, you must render this main final composition. So you will have to close all the compositions so you won't be confused, and then select the main composition. Be sure that it is selected. Then after you do that, go to composition and then add to render query. After you do that, go to lossless and choose your own output model for this project. I will choose QuickTime Movie because I prefer that format. It works well for me. So I will choose 25, let's say 2398, and best setting. Okay, ignore the warning, choose audio output, and then just navigate to the place on the hard disk that you want to store this final movie. and that is it. Hit render and that is it. All the projects are over. So that was it. I hope you like this tutorial and you will have no problem with editing this file. This was Alexander Judovic from Creative Lab Workshop, and I wish you happy rendering. Bye.